Alright, let's settle this. Is Glide a scam in 2026? Short answer: absolutely not. Glide is a legit no-code platform that's been around since 2018, and it's still making waves for turning boring spreadsheets into slick web apps fast. But why do some folks cry scam? Most of the drama comes down to expectations. See, Glide's free plan is super limited. You can build and tinker, but if you want to share your app widely or publish it, you'll hit a paywall. Some users miss this detail and feel tricked, but it's not deception, it's just fine print. Now, Glide isn't perfect. There have been isolated billing issues, like people getting charged after canceling. But these seem rare and get sorted with support, no evidence of any actual fraud. Here's where Glide shines: internal business tools. Need an inventory tracker, a quick CRM, or a field service app for your team? Glide is, you can spin up a working app in like 2 hours. No code, no stress. And if you're not a techie, the learning curve is super gentle. But if you're dreaming of launching the next viral app to the App Store, pump the brakes. Glide makes progressive web apps, PWAs, not native apps. That means no App Store or Google Play. And if you need to serve thousands of public users, the per-user pricing gets wild. Think $200 a month for just 30 users. Oh, and if you're handling healthcare or sensitive financial info, Glide isn't HIPAA compliant, so look elsewhere. Pricing is pretty straightforward. Free for learning, $19 a month for side projects, $49 for unlimited personal users, and up to $249 monthly for serious business tools. Bottom line, Glide is the real deal for internal business apps and rapid prototyping, but it's not for everyone. Read the details, know your use case, and you'll avoid any surprises.